Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just a quick short video, right? I made a video. I recorded a video yesterday, and I was saying about just going to the higher time frame and identify the trend of the market, even without plotting the psychological level and all of those stuff, right? So, but the only thing to understand that if you go to the higher time frame and you discover the trend of the market, right? You discover the trend of the market. Now let's go to the higher time frame. Now this is the higher time frame. You discover that without any other instruments, right, to using the moving average and all of that, you can quickly know that the sellers are in charge of the market for now. The sellers are in control of the market. All you have to know that back of your mind while going to the lower time frame is that now, as the so far the sellers are in control of the market, so every supply zone in the market is going to hold. Every Fibonacci retracement, swing high to swing low in between the 50 and the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement is going to hold. Every head and shoulder, double top, rising channel, rising way, whatever pattern you know that signifies sell, right, they are going high probability to hold. Now this is just a quick short video. This is not me swing trading. This is just basically, I will call it either scalping or you can call it day trading, right? So now I just went down to lower time frame and I discovered, with this analogy in mind, going down to 1 hour 15-minute time frame where I took the entry, you discover that what was it called, there is a demand zone here. Let me go to the 1 hour, right? You discover that there's a demand zone at this point, right? There's a demand zone at this point. Let me go to the 15 minutes so it will be more clear. You can see there is a supply zone at that zone, at that point. You can see it. There's a supply zone at that point where this market tapped in, right, before going down. And this market now coming stem into that zone, got into that zone and was starts scaling down to the lower time frame. All you have to do once the market is in that zone, you apply your confirmation entry on how you used to get your entry, and you are into the market. Now I am looking at something else. I'm looking also for a retracement. There is a pattern I'm waiting for at this zone. There's a particular pattern I'll be waiting for. I'll be waiting for the market. Once that pattern is met, I'm going to close this trade because the market is going to retrace back into this place, creating an head, the left shoulder head and the right shoulder, right, to keep going back down. But if I don't see that pattern within this place, right, that's within this other block right here, because after this block, this is the last bearish candle where the market skyrockets, but there is something here, right here, also before the market skyrocket also. So in between this place, I will notice how the market will react from this place. Once the market reacts from this place, on getting to this particular level right here, I will notice the particular reaction. Then I'm going to close this trade, right? I'm going to close this trade because this is going to be an invert head. This is going to be a left shoulder, a head, and a right shoulder. So I'll just be waiting a few more candles from here, then I might close this trade. But if not, it's just going to keep scaling to the downside, right? So yeah, that is just very simple. It's a very simple trade. It's a very simple. Let me show you the profits that we are running right now. So it's just a simple catch right here. It's just a simple catch running on 46 dollar right here, right? It's just a simple catch. So depending on how the market reacts on that place, I'm going to be closing the trade. I'm going to be closing the trade. So right, so see you in my next video, and bye. Just keep it peeping. All you just have to let me just do a quick recap. All you have to do is to scale down to higher time frame, discover the trend, go down to lower time frame, find every pattern that will signify the direction, that will signify an advantage in that particular direction. So if it's in a buy, the market, for instance, you go to the higher time frame and discover the market is buying, go down to lower time frame and look for demand zone, look for double bottom, look for invert head and shoulder, look for falling wedge. All these patterns have high probability to hold. Then once this pattern is about to play out, apply your confirmation, those entry and exit strategy, to get into the market, right? Apply your exit and your entry and exit strategy. I just want to make this video quite short, and get into the market, and you are good to go, right? Because that signifies the strength of the market. You are only getting the strength. Where are those point of interest? Where are those places? Where is the strength, the overall strength going to? Where is the bias of the market? So if you want to know how I trade, simply fine. If you want to know how I trade, my number is also going to be in the description box, and do it to reach out to me. And see you in my next video. Bye.